Greetings and welcome to another installment brought to you by Mohamed Al-Marzuqi, Advocates and Consultancy, leading legal experts.
Abortions. When is it permissible for a doctor to perform an abortion? In some cases, a pregnant woman may decide to abort her fetus for several reasons. This could be because the fetus is deformed and she feels that his quality of life would severely degraded and difficult for him, so she may resort to an abortion. Or the mother may be suffering from a serious illness and the illness could be transmitted to the child in the event of birth. Another reason for abortion is the inability of the parents to support the new child. The United Arab Emirates legislators consider abortion to be murder, and it's not permissible for a doctor to perform an abortion except in the specific cases mentioned in Article 16 of the United Arab Emirates Medical Liability Law. A physician may not perform any abortion operations or prescribe anything that may induce an abortion except in the following cases. So 1. If a continuing pregnancy poses a risk to a pregnant woman's life, and under the following conditions: A. There is no other means to save the pregnant life except by abortion. B. Abortion shall be performed by a specialist gynecologist with the approval of the physician who is attending the medical condition giving rise to abortion. C. A report shall be written by the concerned physicians indicating the reasons for abortion. It shall be signed by the pregnant woman, her husband or guardian if her consent cannot be obtained, as proof of consent to the abortion procedure. Each of the concerned parties shall keep a copy of the report. Approval by the husband is not required in the case of emergencies requiring immediate surgical intervention. If it's proven that the fetus is mutilated, and under the following conditions: A. Abortion shall be performed at the request of the parent. B. The length of pregnancy is shorter than 120 days. C. The mutilation is proven by a report of medical board comprising of consultants in gynecology, pediatrics and radiology. D. The board report is based on medical examinations and the use of scientifically acceptable technologies. E. The fetus is suffering from a serious, untreatable mutilation born alive and would be bad and painful for him and his family. Therefore, according to the United Arab Emirates law, the doctor may perform abortions for a pregnant woman in two cases: either in the continuation of pregnancy, should there be a risk to the life of the pregnant woman, or if it can be proven that there will be a deformity of the fetus. Both exceptions are imposed by the law and have been explained by the mentioned article. If a doctor aborts a pregnant woman without complying to the mentioned exceptions, then his punishment is stipulated in Article 33 of the Medical Liability Act, which states: subject to Article 16 of this decree, any physician who intentionally induces an abortion to a pregnant woman by giving medications or by use leading to this end or directing her to such means, whether such abortion at her consent or not, shall be sentenced to not more than 4 years imprisonment. However, if abortion causes death of the victim, then the penalty of not less than 5 years imprisonment and not more than 10 years imprisonment shall be imposed. In addition, the penalty of aborting a pregnant woman was confirmed in Article 340 of the UAE Penal Code number 34 of 2005, which reads as follows: should the person causing the abortion be a physician, surgeon, pharmacist, midwife or technician, penalty shall be imprisonment for a maximum period of 5 years without prejudice to more severe penalty provided by any other law. Provisions of this article on abortion in the United Arab Emirates laws indicate the legislature's keenness on the individual and family life. Abortions may be permitted in the event of danger to the mother's life or if the fetus was deformed, but it's not allowed for any other reason than these two reasons we've discussed. And so we can see the rationality and flexibility of the legislator in all cases, especially those relating to the individual and his life.
This message is brought to you by Mohamed Al-Marzuqi, Advocates and Consultancy. We do have offices in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Please contact us for your consultation. Alternatively, you can visit our website, which is www.ml-advocates.com.